She was smiling at the closing table. 2 months later, she was sitting on the floor of an empty apartment wondering where everything went wrong. She thought she had bought her dream home. The contractor was hired. The plans looked perfect. Everything felt exciting. Then the delays started. One approval took longer than expected. A hidden issue appeared behind the walls. Every week brought another surprise. The hardest part wasn't the renovation, it was watching the excitement slowly turn into stress. I've learned that renovations are never just about kitchens, bathrooms, or beautiful finishes. They're about families trying to build the next chapter of their lives. That's why the best renovation projects begin long before the first wall comes down. They begin with planning, honest conversations, and a team that prepares for the unexpected. In the end, she finally got the home she imagined. But she also learned something she'll never forget. A great renovation isn't measured by how beautiful it looks, it's measured by how well the people behind it guide you through the difficult moments. If you enjoy real stories about New York homes and the people who bring them back to life, subscribe to Corniel Construction. There's another story waiting behind the next wall.